my stomach. The inside scoop. Your body is a super machine that keeps you moving, learning, and having fun. But how does it work? The secret inside. I'm a big deal in your belly. When you're hungry, your stomach might start to grow. That's your body telling you it's time to eat. Let's take a closer look. Starting the stomach. The stomach is part of the digestive system. It helps your body take care of the food you eat. The stomach is J-shaped. Oh, so your stomach looks like a J. And that do look like a J. Your stomach holds food. It breaks food apart. And it sends that food on so your body can use it. And then you poop it out. And pee. The machine mouth. The stomach gets a head start when it comes to breaking down food. That job begins in your mouth. When you chew, your teeth mash food into smaller bits. Saliva in your mouth break down food too. Thanks for getting things going in mouth. Saliva also help the food slip down slow. Getting started. Saliva and the top of your stomach open to let food in. Then it closes to make sure the food stays put. And that is when your stomach gets started. Special juices in your stomach turn your food into a liquid. These juices also kill bad germs that could make you sick. Mighty muscle. Muscle go to work inside your stomach too. They smash food into smaller and smaller pieces. The stomach is very bendy. It can stretch and pull as it works. Some food break down fast. Others are slower. Food usually stay in your stomach between 1 and 5 hours. Lovely liquid. After all that work, what do you have? A stomach full of liquid food is a mix of everything you ate. Some of the liquid food has important stuff that help your body work, can get energy out of it, but your stomach needs a little help for that. Helpers of all sizes. Your stomach has helpers that are large and small. Food goes from your stomach to the small intestine and large intestine. These helpers take nutrition and water from your food. Thanks for finishing the job in intestine. You bet! From there, the nutrients and the nutrition and energy travel all over your body. The leftover food leaves your body through poop. A happy stomach. A happy stomach makes for a happy body. You can help your stomach by eating foods that are easy for it to break down. Whole grain fruit and dark green veggie are good for it. Yogurt is good for your stomach too. It has friendly bacteria that can even fight off germs. I like to eat. Wow. Keeping things moving. Moving your body often helps keep food moving inside you. 2. Dance to your favorite song. Take some time to stretch. There are plenty of ways to move your body, to move your belly. Simple choices you make every day will help your stomach stay healthy for a long time. Drinking water can also help keep food moving inside you. Your busy body. Your stomach is an important part of the super machine. That if your body is work with a lot of other things inside you, together they keep you going every day. You're beautiful on the inside. The end.